hindi man buhos na buhos ang ulan, pero ang biyaya ng Diyos ay buhos na buhos pa rin sa Time Cargo. God has blessed Time Cargo so much. Time Cargo Logistics, handa
Handa ba kayo?
Another year is going to pass, and again, we hurdle and navigate the several complexities and intricacies of our logistics company. I commend the lifeblood of our company, and when I say lifeblood, I referring to none other than all of you. Our workforce who has shown their best in their respective departments. Without you, our company will not achieve its goals and targets. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat.